Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a whiteboarding to explain you that what we are going to build, how we are going to build. We will keep coming back to this whiteboard to review and see how we are progressing. So the first thing what you are seeing right now on your screen is the current state of our application. We have a header and we have a footer, and in between our cards are coming. Now for React Router, what we will be doing is, first thing we will be, let me write it here. First thing we will be doing is we will install React Router. Once this installation is done, the next thing what we will be doing is we need to have a navigation. So what we are going to do is we are going to have about, home, contact. So this is our navigation. Now here we will be in our components directory or folder, we will be adding a component navigation. Now first I'm taking an example of about. So when I'm clicking on about, I should go to the about page. So in React.js we don't have pages, we have everything component. But because this about is a page, so what we are going to do is we are going to create a directory for pages, and in this, inside this, we will have our about, contact components here. Now if you will see how clear our folder structure is gonna look. Components will have components and we will be creating a different directory for our pages. So our directory, our folder structure would be very clear and straightforward, as well as when you will open anyone's code or someone will open your code and they are using React Router and you want to understand that how many pages are there, by having a pages folder or directory, it would be very easy for you. The next thing what we are going to do is, from here the things are going to get little bit new for you, because we will be using React Router concept. So let's talk about the about. So as I told you, in React.js everything is a component. So what will happen is we will be creating about component. So for example, this is our about. Can I increase it the size? Let me see, font size. This is the maximum, I guess. Yeah. So this is our about component. Now whenever I'm going to about or contact, what I want is my header and footer should always be there. So one thing is, when you are creating about component, you will be importing header and footer there, which is not a good approach to do, because one of the principle of programming is try, do not repeat yourself. So calling your header and footer all the time in all the components is not a good approach. So what we can do? So what we can do is we can create a layout. What layout will be? Layout will have all the repetitive components you want, and based on the routes, routes which are coming, you can show your content in that layout. So if it is not making sense right now, I will explain you in a very simple way, that we will have a layout in which our header and footer would be there, and in between we will be keep changing our components content, so that if I am clicking on about, header and footer would be there, only about content will come. When I click on contact, my header and footer would be there, only in between the content will be changed. And this, how we are going to do it? With the help of the React Router, we are going to learn about that. But here the most important thing is we are going to create another new directory, layouts, and in that we are going to create a root layout in this. Okay, now what's next? Once this is done, now we need to add the functionality. Then when I'm clicking on about, it should go to the about component. So for that, what we have to do is we need to create our routes. So we are going to create a folder routes. In that we are going to define all our routes, that when we are clicking on about, it should go to the about page. When we are clicking on contact, it should go to the contact page, and plus it should use this layout which we have created. So this is how it is going to be. Now this is the starting point only. As we will move ahead, we are going to add few more things here. I will do a recap again. First step, we are going to install React Router. Second, we are going to create our navigation. Third, we are going to do the pages and about and contact. Fourth, we are going to create our layout. Fifth, we are going to create our routes, and then we are going to add this particular functionality. So this is all what we are going to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like it, please show your love. Share in your network, share with your friends, share in your company, in your college. If you have any feedback and anything to share, please let me know in the comment section. I will be looking forward to it. In the next video, we will start with hands-on. So in the next video, what we are going to do is we are going to implement all these steps. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.